working as a tip as civil engineer. The training was very, very interesting.
I'm working at the Rwanda Transport Development Agency. I'm in charge of quality control. Compared to the other softwares, Protastructure is very easy.
Nziza is also a good training center.
Before, we were using manual skills by designing and also other softwares like Procode, but this one, Protastructure, it's very interesting software for structure modeling analysis. It is quick regarding the design of structures, first concrete structures, steel structures. It is very quick. It is detailing everything and it can be used by most of the engineers.
I worked in a public institution called Rwanda Agriculture and Animal Resources Development Board in its single project implementation unit, SPIU. I was one of the civil engineer attending business training on Protastructure software, and I found it is very fruitful, especially for civil engineers, where we learn more on the design for building structures. And also Nziza is also a good training center, and we recommend to expand this training for both the public and the private engineers to improve the capacity on using softwares, as these softwares help to perform rapidly our work in safe design.
I have attended training of Protastructure 2025. The training was very, very interesting because by assessing the training, I was able to conduct a model analysis, a model detailing in Protastructure 2025. I was able to conduct the exercise of modeling, roading, and the structure analysis, even detailing, by using both of Prota details and the AutoCAD.
After this training, I will be able now to use the software and even cross-check the sum of the report provided by the external consultant and validate it in a short time, and also cross-checking what have been done.
So the recommendation to my institution or the other agencies or other companies, I can encourage them to train their staff to use IT softwares, because in this generation we are no longer losing our time to struggle with this, and also it will increase the efficiency in their production.
I recommend my institution to train all engineers by familiar with using Protastructure as a very good software, using in analysis as a software which has artificial intelligence by modeling. It has more command for analysis, even it has more details. It's easy and friendly for engineers to carry out and to produce work in a short time.
For the government institution, we recommend them to provide the capacity for the engineers to update them on the current softwares used in the designing, and help them also to perform the work safely.
The recommendation to Nziza Global is to increase awareness of this software, to interest the engineers to use this software, and also the construction companies, institutions, and agencies who are working with the infrastructure projects.
I can recommend it to Nziza Training to train all engineers by using civil software, even the software of structure analysis like Protastructure, because it's very, very interesting software in structure engineering analysis.
Nziza Global, I think they have to expand more on the large community to know what they do and what they provide us on technical areas as those trainings, and plan more trainings for improve the capacity of the technical personnel.